came up here for, right?
No. Well, it's my work, yes.
Carson's gonna get blown up.
Carson, man, go throw it, dude! It's your life! Carson, throw it! He's like, hi, guys!
Stop taking pictures of us? No, I'm not. Video of us.
Scott!
Oh my god!
Oh my god, dude, I let that run.
Austria's gonna go better.
Well, it was a thought that counts.
Thanks.
Oh, no.
It's pretty.
Something in the air tonight. Feeling that you have that could change your life. Something burning up inside. I reach out for you and our hearts collide.
The creeper calling. Video.
Should we go back and find that guy?
Where are they? We should. I wonder if we could. Oops, sorry. I'm getting a midget-eyed perspective. Wait, short person. That's not politically correct. Vertically challenged. I think that's almost more offensive than just calling someone a midget and being honest about what it is. Oh, I'm pretty sure this is like 10 minutes of your butt. This is an exciting video clip I'm taking here. We need some hot cereal. Go get it. 288 credits. What, Colin?
The fire alarm went off, and no one did anything. Like, no one tried to do it.
Really?
Yeah.
Were they pretty much like
even the
fossil?
associates were just like,
Whatever. Okay. This happens every day. I don't know. I've been in here during some crazy times, though. Like,
I want to do some Black Friday shops this year.
No, okay, I'm gonna point this towards me. But this is awesome. We were here the day before Christmas, and everyone was like freaking out and like racing each other to like get to places. It was so bad.
I got you thinking all them bad things.